Hey, hey, hey. Do you love beautiful places? Do you look at Pinterest and Instagram pictures and you wonder if your home could be like that? Then this show, Create a Home You Love, is just for you. I'm Remya Warrior. I'm an interior designer who specializes in kitchen design and space planning. Create a Home You Love is going to be a live show where you get to ask questions regarding interior and kitchen design. I'm also going to be interviewing some of the field experts who are going to bring their tips and knowledge to you. Now, let me show you some beautiful kitchens. Can you tell me which style these kitchens are? Is it traditional or transitional? Is it glam or just transitional or contemporary? Or maybe farmhouse? Now, if you know the answers to these questions, well, you're in the right place. We are going to delve deeper into every single style and trend of interior and kitchen design. And if you don't know, well, then you have to be on the show because you are going to find out a whole lot more about what each style is so that you get to pick which style you like the best and incorporate that into your home. This is one of the first times I'm using this. So for me, I'm just still playing with the tech part of the whole thing. But I look forward to seeing you starting this Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. If you like this video, please share this with your friends. Sharing is caring. And I will see you on Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern right here to talk more about interior and kitchen design. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.